Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber from my main channel Tech Hub Guide, welcome back. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to create and configure multiple connection protocols, including SSH, slow DNS, V2Ray, and ShadowSocks, all inside the Dark Tunnel VPN app. This tutorial will help you understand how these protocols work and how to set them up step by step for a faster, more secure, and stable connection. Let's begin with the first part, creating our all-in-one server that we'll use throughout this tutorial. Before setting up any protocol inside Dark Tunnel VPN, we need a server that supports all the major protocols. To do this, open any web browser on your mobile phone or computer, such as Chrome or Firefox. In the search bar, type SSH Tunnel and press Enter. From the search results, open the official SSH Tunnel website. This site provides servers for SSH, slow DNS, V2Ray, and ShadowSocks in one place. Once the homepage loads, tap on Login with Google to sign up quickly using your Google account. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your dashboard where you can create servers. You'll see multiple regions such as Asia, Europe, America, and Africa. Tap on the region you prefer, for example, Asia, and then select a country within that region. I'll choose the UAE because it's closer to my location and usually offers better speed and stability. After selecting the country, you'll be redirected to the account creation form. Wait a few seconds for the security checks to finish, then enter your details, create a username, set a strong password, and complete the verification. Once done, tap on Create Server. In just a few moments, your all-in-one server will be ready. You'll now see configuration details for SSH, slow DNS, ShadowSocks, and V2Ray. Scroll down and copy all the information such as IP addresses, ports, host names, and credentials. Save these details in your Notes app, as we'll need them for the next steps. Your all-in-one server is now ready. Let's move on to setting up the first protocol inside Dark Tunnel VPN. Now that the server is ready, let's configure the SSH protocol inside Dark Tunnel VPN. SSH is one of the most common tunneling methods for secure browsing and data protection. Open the Play Store and search for Dark Tunnel VPN. Install the app and launch it. On the home screen, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From the list, select Inject Config. Next, tap on Mode and choose SSH from the list of available options. You'll now see several fields where you need to enter your server details. Go to your saved server information and carefully enter the SSH server's IP address, port number, username, and password into the correct boxes. Leave other options like payload or SNI as default unless your server provider specifies otherwise. When you're done, return to the home screen and tap Connect. You'll see logs appear at the bottom. If the details are correct, you'll get a connected message confirming that your SSH tunnel is active. That completes the SSH setup. Now let's move to the slow DNS configuration. Next, let's configure the slow DNS protocol. This connection type is often used when you need an alternative method for accessing the internet or improving connection stability. Open the Dark Tunnel VPN app and tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Inject Config, then tap on Mode and choose DNS or Slow DNS from the list. Now open your saved all-in-one server details and copy the DNS IP address, port, and public key. Enter these values carefully into the Slow DNS setup screen inside Dark Tunnel. Make sure the information is correct, as even a small mistake can stop the connection from working. You may also need to select a name server or resolver. You can use Google DNS 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 if required. After entering all details, return to the main screen and tap Connect. You'll see progress logs, and when it shows a connected message, your slow DNS tunnel is active and ready to use. That's it for slow DNS setup. Next, let's move on to the V2Ray protocol. Now let's configure the V2Ray connection. V2Ray is a powerful proxy protocol known for its flexibility and strong encryption. Open the Dark Tunnel VPN app again and tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. This time, select Config, then tap Import. You'll see a few options. Choose Clipboard. Paste the V2Ray configuration link that you copied earlier from your server provider. Once imported, the app will automatically detect all the necessary settings such as server port and encryption type. If you want to set it up manually, you can tap Manual Config and enter the details such as server IP, port, user ID, and alter ID. You can also enable TLS for additional security. To do this, go to Network Settings, turn on TLS and enter your SNI or host address if your server requires it. When all settings are correct, go back to the main screen and tap Connect. Wait a few seconds until the connection status shows connected. Your V2Ray tunnel is now active and secure. Now let's move on to the final protocol setup, ShadowSocks. Finally, let's configure the ShadowSocks protocol inside Dark Tunnel VPN. ShadowSocks is another secure and high-speed proxy option commonly used for privacy and encrypted browsing. Open the Dark Tunnel VPN app and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Tunnel Type, and then choose ShadowSocks. In the configuration screen, enter your server's ShadowSocks details, the server address, port number, and password. Select the encryption method provided by your server, usually AES-256, GCM, or ChaCha20. If your server supports advanced settings, you can tap on Network to enable TLS or WebSocket and enter your SNI if needed. Once all information is entered correctly, go back to the main screen and tap Connect. Wait a few seconds until the logs show connected. Your ShadowSocks tunnel is now active and ready to use. Now that all four protocols are configured, SSH, slow DNS, V2Ray, and ShadowSocks, let's summarize. You've successfully learned how to create an all-in-one server and configure multiple connection protocols in the Dark Tunnel VPN app. Each protocol has its own advantages, so you can choose whichever suits your connection type, speed, and privacy requirements. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and detailed tech tutorials. Your support helps me create more useful videos like this. Thank you for watching. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.